everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this week's video is based on a set of nails that I did a few weeks ago, or it is a set of nails that I did a few weeks ago. I went for the red theme with red glitter, red chrome powder. So yeah, all using all sorts of products from Miss You Beauty. As I have said in the past, I do have a fabulous discount code for you all, so go check that out. It is Beautified10. I will leave a link to everything that I use in the description box below. Also, don't forget to check out my other channel as well. It's the beauty channel where I do unboxing videos and videos on what I've recently bought, what I'm really excited about. So yeah, don't forget to head over to that one. I will leave you a link somewhere for that as well. So I shall get started with this video. So here is the design that I created on these nails, and the first nail that I did is my thumb using this diamond glitter in ruby red. How beautiful is that glitter? So using my UV gel brush, my number 6 gel brush, I just apply this to the nail. I have already done an infill on these nails using the Brush Up Builder gel in clear or in bare. And I should have applied a base coat to the nail before I applied this diamond glitter. However, I have done it over gel nails, so it should stay. It did stay, to be fair. It didn't really need a base coat, but you can do that. It's optional, really, I think. So yeah, so I apply 2 coats of this and I cure them in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I go over this set of nails or this diamond glitter with another coat of my Brush Up Builder gel, just because sometimes the glitter with the gel can be a little bit chunky, so I like to be able to file it, make sure it's lovely and smooth. So like, as you can see here, I'm just applying this Brush Up Builder gel to that nail just to cap it basically, so that when I file it, which I have done now, it's lovely and smooth. So now I'm just going in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat, which I cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I apply my cuticle oil. How gorgeous is that? So then on my forefinger here, I apply Spring Break 09 to the nail. And I just apply 2 coats of this. And I cure each coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. Please excuse the fact that my camera is wobbling. My tripod is a funny one and it's attached to my table, and my table is wobbly. However, eventually I do get that sorted, so I do apologise for that. So I'm going in with the ruby red again, and with my gel brush I'm just applying this to the cuticle area of my nail, and I'm just fading it down the nail, doing like an ombre effect. As you might already know, I love the ombre effect. It's gorgeous. So then I cure this in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I apply my non-wipe UV gel top coat and cure that for 60 seconds, and then I apply my cuticle oil. So on the middle finger I went in with this chrome, so I have my So Jelly 01 here. I have recently put that on my Instagram feed just to show you exactly how beautiful this colour is. I love it. So I just apply 2 coats of this, cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and I cure that for about 40 to 50 seconds in my LED lamp, and then I go in with Poison Apple Chrome Powder from Miss You Beauty. How amazing is that? And just apply that to my nail and it is stunning. Absolutely amazing. I just love the colour of this. So I had to press down quite hard with it. It was giving me a bit of jip, so I got there in the end. So look at the finish of that, it's amazing. So then I go in with a top coat, my non-wipe UV gel top coat, and I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I apply some cuticle oil to that nail, avoiding obviously the design itself. and then went in with doing my ring finger. I used Spring Break 09 again, so I applied 2 coats of that to my nail. I just absolutely love this colour. I think it works really, really well with the red. I think those colours just go really well together. So I just apply 2 coats of this and cure those coats in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then with Red Dress, this is a Miss You Beauty acrylic powder and liquid, and my 3D brush, my 3D acrylic brush, I create a 3D heart. So I absolutely love doing these. I think they're fabulous. Just an amazing little effect for your nail. So do the one side, just pat it into place, and then I go in with the other side and it just creates a perfect heart. I love it. And then again with Ruby Red, the diamond glitter, I just go over that there just to add a little bit of depth to that heart. Just add a little bit of glitter and a little bit of shine. I love it. And then with the Ruby Red as well, I just pat a little bit of this glitter around the nail. I started off around the tip, and then I decided that I just wanted to cover the whole nail with this red glitter because I just love it so much. So that's what I did. And then I cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I went in with my top coat. And then I cured that for 60 seconds. Do apologise, getting my words mixed up there. How cute is that glitter? I just love it. So going on now is my top coat, which I cure for 60 seconds. And then I apply my cuticle oil. And I love this feature nail. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So then with So Jelly 01 again on my little finger, I just apply 2 coats of this. I've got a client who has this every single time she comes. She absolutely adores this colour, so I have to buy in bulk this one. It's so popular. Love it. So then with Party Queen 02 and my fine detail brush, I go in around the cuticle area and just apply it and fade it down the nail. I just love this effect as well. I think this glitter is absolutely beautiful. And I just love doing this with it. And now go in with my top coat. Non-wipe UV gel top coat and cure for 60 seconds and apply my cuticle oil. And there you have it. There is my design. I love it. Love these colours. And I absolutely adore that chrome. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I really do appreciate it. And if you enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up, as always. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.